just let me show you. So how the outlook of different material, I will show you. Here, this is just the sporty sock with the cushion backside. So even the cushion part is a little bit thicker, then the printing also could reach it. Okay, I will show you how good the resolution will be for the polyester. This is the polyester one. So you can see here, this little kitty, the lines here, you can see the eyes, and also inside the blue color, light blue color, you can see it. So the details actually is obvious, right? And line is sharp. And here what I got, we can do a test for the comparison. So here we check at the right side. It is the sublimation. So print first on the paper and then transfer with the heat press with these designs to the sock. And compare this direct print. That side is the direct side print for the sock. And you could see the difference here. The image, the resolution, you can see which one is sharp, which one is more clear. It's obviously, right? And also, the more important is the color. You can see the color. This direct print on the 360 degrees seamless digital printer with the printing item, the resolution is good. And also the color, you can see it's also reached the neon color, which is not possible for this sublimation one. But our printer could do. Our ink could reach it, even very close to the neon color. And the other advantage is it's seamless. You could see here the whole round of the sock. No seams at all. Can you find any seam? No seam at all, right? Well, let's compare how the sublimation sock is. Now you find it. It just, at the side seam, it's one line, and back side, the color is fading. And the other side, another seam, right?